Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb wireless neckband earphones. You can see what this neckband earphone is supposed to look like. It's obviously a flexible neckband design. There are some more information here. There is voice assistant support, 17 hours of playback. There's an asterisk here which means that at 50% volume. It supports Bluetooth 5.0 and there's rapid charge option as well. So basically you get 2 hours of usage from 10 minutes of charge. It also comes with a 10mm driver and has magnetic earpiece. Do we have any more information? No, there is an image of Hrithik Roshan at the back, and that's more or less it. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box. We have a small pouch with 2 extra pair of silicone tips. These are the large and small variety. The medium one is attached to the earphones. This is of course a user manual for the Zeb wireless neckband earphones. You should read it at least once. And this is the micro USB charging cable for this particular earphone. It has a nice blue and yellow color scheme as well. Let's take a look at the earphones. This is of course a neckband style earphone. As you can see, it's very flexible, it's gone full 360 degrees and it's still not breaking or anything, and there's no mark even. So this is a very durable and flexible design neckband style earphones. There are these 2 modules here. On this module there is not much except the Zebronics logo, as you can see. On the other module, however, there are some more options. There is a micro USB port here. I think this is the micro USB charging port, along with volume rocker and a power on-off button. And what else is there? The cable, and finally we have the heads. This is not an angular nozzle. Actually, there is an angle, but not much, to be very fair. However, these are magnetic earpieces. This is a great addition. You will not lose them easily. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics Zeb wireless neckband earphone. Thank you for watching.